Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you're fine. So today this was the very hardest level I did. So I'm going ahead. This is Mega Easy Hobby. Mega Easy Hobby is like we can play it, and it's a hobby. You know, there are ramps like this. Look, it's a ramp. Look, yeah, it's like this. You know, there is also a game named Tower of Hell, but there is no checkpoint like this. Look, oh, what is that? Huh? Oh, I don't have to touch this. Okay. So I was saying that, yeah, there is also a game Tower of Hell. So this is a good game. You can also there's no at all. There's no checkpoints at all. And guys, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe. And if you want the part 2 of this game, so give me, I think, 86 likes I want. So I will give you this part 2. And I'm also searching a new game. So today I got a game in Roblox. And I'm also I'm gonna upload a video for Fortnite first because in mobile. Okay, so guys, it's easy for me to do this game. If you want to practice this, you only have to concentrate in this game. Okay, so concentrate. It is good. It's easy for me to do this. I don't have to touch the laser. Whoa, I have to touch this? No, I will be dead. Oh, no! Shit, it's okay. I don't have to touch this white one. Oh, it was there. Here, so checkpoint is here. Now I don't have. No, I was slipped. Yes. So this. Oh no. This. Oh my God. Sheesh. Oh, finally, this was done. And yesterday I got fever, guys, vomiting and dehydration I got, so I didn't upload a video. I only uploaded one. That's sorry for that. And I got dehydration. I was vomiting and inside my body the water was gone. And guys, you know my favorite. If you like study, so study more. And I'm saying that study is important for our future. And so, guys, I was saying that which is your favorite subject? Write in the comments and give me 85 likes. Oh! I will get the part 2 of this game. I think I have done it. It was good. Guys, yep. Guys, you know there is an app named Wombo.ai. You can do something in Wombo AI. I will tell you about that. It is an app which we can in your gallery there is your photo na. You can select that, or you want to take the photo in that. So it easy. I will tell you I will make a video in my mobile so you can easily do it, and I will give you, and you can see me in that. I will open my camera. So guys, I was saying that in Wombo AI you can take a screenshot. What we say? What else? Yeah, you can take a photo, or else you can in your gallery there is a photo. So go and press W. There is a W. Press W. So there will be, I think, Indian song, United song, funny states like this. I'm a gummy bear inside a gummy bear like this. Oh, I'm a gummy bear like this. This is the song, and there's baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark. Mommy, like this one, and there is also Indian songs too in that Wombo AI. So you can take a photo, and if you want any songs from that, if you want to download in Samsung, you have to go to Populars, and you touch that. I will tell you in the video. It will be, I think, short. So whoa, that was close. I was going to be dead, and I got a badge. Guys, please, I will make a video today 3 because why 3? First that Wombo AI 3, it will be counted. So this one is 1, and then the Wombo AI, and then another game. It's you will see. I will upload in a few minutes. It's okay, guys. I'm very champion at the Roblox, and you know, Wally is champion at Fortnite. So, yuppoo. Guys, I'm searching a treasure. I'm searching something in Wobbly Life. But I have I was telling you that inside there is oh my god. I will in Wobbly Life I will tell you. Oh my god. I have seen something in Wobbly Life. So today I will also, I think, upload that. Oh no! What the hell? I didn't touch that. Sorry, alhamdulillah. Yo, oh no, I have to take my camera out. Wait a minute. No, I didn't touch it. Wallahi, I didn't touch that. And you know, today in Riyadh there was raining, I think, very fast, and sandstorm too. Yeah. Guys, you can if you have Netflix, so you can watch a movie named Waterman. The Waterman. Watch that. It's good. The mother was in the cancer. It's it was so. Oh no! The hell is that, man? This is not good, man. This is a scam. I'm not moving that good. I want to concentrate, guys. So please, I'm not talking. It's a very scary moment. Guys, finished! Yes! Yeah, so I was saying, see the I don't have to touch the purple. So guys, watch the Waterman. It's good for he reads books, and and the mother got a cancer disease. So that he was searching for how to how to get out from the cancer. So he was taking a crazy girl which is named Jo. She lives, I think, and he has you will see that I'm only giving the instruction that you see that it is and yeah, man. Oh, yes, yo. No. Oh, I don't have. Okay, I don't have to touch the middle one. Guys, if you live in Riyadh, come and visit me. If you want to visit me. No. It was I didn't concentrate it. No! Yeah, I literally jumped there, but how come is that? Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I will see you in the next video. Homeboy. Allah Hafiz.